Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover and display enclosure. Removal: carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from the adhesive on the right speaker. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the retention tape that secures the speaker cable and remove it from its position on the battery. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless antennas to the battery. Remove the 11 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the display panel assembly. While supporting the battery with both hands, carefully lift it off of the alignment pins on the display panel assembly and remove. Replacement: place the battery onto its alignment pins on the display panel assembly. Caution: ensure that the speaker cable is free from being pinched between the battery and display panel assembly. Replace the 11 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the battery to the display panel assembly. Replace the metallic tape that secures the wireless antennas to the battery. Place the speaker cable into position on the battery and replace the retention tape. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board and apply pressure to it to adhere it to the right speaker.